Right Honourable Speaker, alcohol is consumed by many people. I am here to seek leave, Right Honourable Speaker, to introduce a bill entitled the Alcohol Control Bill. Whereas Article 79 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda empowers Parliament to make laws on any matter for the peace, order and development and good governance.
But what Honorable Sarah is doing is the control.
Madam Speaker, we shall not stop anyone from consuming alcohol, but we only want it regulated. Now therefore be it resolved that this House grants me leave to introduce a private member's bill for an act entitled the Alcoholic Control Bill. Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Sarah. Is the motion seconded?
Government has been grappling with the need to regulate the manufacture, sale, access and consumption of alcohol in Uganda. The current legislations have their weaknesses, Right Honourable Speaker, and we need stringent measures or penalties to control the consumption of alcohol and also its production in the country. Honourable members, we are not stopping people from drinking. All we are saying is regulating the sale, the production, consumption. There must be hours. People can't drink from morning till evening, Right Honourable Speaker.
Order.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.